this thing I see it coming. Why didn't you stop? I saw it coming. Why didn't you stop? Because there is no duplicate in life. This machinery, there is a lot of hazard. So your knowledge and the right application of your knowledge is very, very bad. And that is why you don't go and take shake where you want to operate a crane. You are killing yourself. God forbid, it's not you. Don't take anything as alcohol or weed because you want to make your mind, you want to be a hard man. No, don't do a hard man for you. Do a hard man for us. Not with all this machinery. It's a risk. Your perception, your instinct, your body language, your hand-to-eye coordination is very important. They must work in synchrony to avert accident. Nigeria don't have information. A lot of people work as die, especially all these people who doesn't illiterates, all these roadside operators, because some of them they sleep under. They don't even. There are some safety rules. This crane has a blind spot, like the back of the crane near the counterweight. The crane operator cannot see. So you are nobody. In fact, as safety precaution, you should barricade that area. Barricade any area that the crane operator cannot see. And if you want to even approach the crane as a site supervisor or lift supervisor, come from the front, don't come from behind. And you must signal to him. That is why we also teach you sign language. In project site, heavy machineries are working, the noise there increases. So you don't rely on voice communication. Sometimes that's why communication gadgets also fail. Sometimes battery issues. Those things, miscommunication causes accident. That is why we teach you hand language. See people doing like this, or they're doing like this, or they're doing like this. They are telling you something. The videos are here for you to learn. Okay? So this here, this is your anchor. And this wire here they call it the winch. Winch. W-I-N-C-H. The winch system. The winch system is like a pulley, a drum that has those wire, and how you loosen it, lower it, or you wind it. So that is your winch system. Okay? So here we are going to, like I said, this your lift cylinder or hydraulic cylinder is what pumps hydraulic. Okay? Here, like I said, the inside this cabin, that is where you control the hydraulic system. The hydraulic system. I told you there are three systems. The train works with three systems: the mechanical,
electrical,
and the hydraulics. Okay. So now this train here has a dashboard, and the dashboard, modern cranes have what is called LMI, load moment indicator. Load moment indicator. What is its function? The short word is LMI. LMI. The function of the LMI is to tell you the status of the load when you lift it. What is the status? The LMI can tell you, okay, this load I am carrying is heavier than the capacity of my crane. The LMI will tell you, it has sensor that tells you the weight of the load. You can know the weight because some of these loads, they are irregular shaped. They are irregular shaped. And because they're irregular shape, you don't just carry anyhow wire to tie it. It can break because load have their strength. There's strength of in mechanical engineering, what's called strength of material or elasticity limits. So that is why I said crane is complex. Now the LMI, what controls it is the electrical system. The headlamp of the driver's side is controlled by electricity. The communication between all the different parts. For instance, in this truck head, there is what is called PTO. It's just a button. PTO. That PTO is like a switch. Power button. Yeah. That power button, once you have driven your crane to the location where the crane wants to carry out its project, that PTO switches power to the car or cabin. You first of all put your truck on auxiliary and you engage the PTO. You are transferring power just like your switch box in your home between NEPA and your generator is a switch over. So that button transfers control to the car. And once you're done with your lifting, you also switch it and transfer power or control back to the driver's seat. So PTO, low movement indicator, all these are the systems that uses electricity and so many other things. The dashboard that shows you even the temperature too. It shows you this crane is hot. It tells you maybe your what's that thing called? Is it heat exchanger? That's radiator. Thank you. It tells you there is no water there. Again, the crane. There are some systems that doesn't use hydraulic that much. They use air in their brake system. They use air, they use balloon. Now, if you want this crane to last long for you, when you want to use it in the morning, first of all, there are some things you do like the pre-operation inspection. You understand? Once you on it, leave it for it to run idle for like 30 or 45 minutes. Now, for you to be able to know this your crane very well, you must go through the operator's manual.